I really thought that my gaming setup is great, you know. I appreciate my setup, you know. I like my setup, you know. We have the Camel C5, we have the shifter pedals from Logitech. It's a great setup, you know. Maybe it's a dream setup for some people, you know. I do love my setup, it's nice, it's great. But a couple of months ago I went to central London. There was like a gaming event, and I tried a motion rig for the first time, you know, the ones that moves left and right with the curved screen. It was just amazing. I did a video about it, so I'm gonna show you the video right now. This video is not being sponsored by the company. The company is called SM Simulators. If I'm not wrong, I think it's an Italian company, and you'll see the video now. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Have you tried before motion rig? But apparently this motion rig doesn't move left and right, moves up and down. You will see the video, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? It's around 11 minutes. The video is a little bit longer, but it was just amazing, you know. It's cool, this is great, you know, 5 Newton meters, shifter pedals, obviously chair, that's great, but the feeling, the experience is just next level. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, and leave a comment.
So you probably want to go forward a bit? Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's better.
Okay, so you don't want the clutch, that's it. Just want the accelerator and the brake.
Actually, no, I need to go back. Yeah, that's better. That's much better.
Okay, yeah. So like we said, the brake's nice and tough.
So that's the gas.
Yep.
Wow, the brake is exactly like a car. Seriously.
Yeah.
Wow.
Works. It'll start in automatic. Even in automatic, you can still use these.
Shifters, okay.
Yeah, you can still use the shifters, and then if you don't shift down, it will automatically do it. If you want full manual, you hit that one. This changes the traction and the ABS. They should be fine for what you need.
When you say full manual, you mean like...
So when it's in auto, you can still use these.
I can use the pedals.
Yeah. So when you change to manual, it will only change when you pull the levers.
Understand.
So it's probably best to leave it in automatic.
Yes.
And then if you want to
I can shift down, if I'm shift down, you know, on the corners, you know.
Yeah. It makes you feel good. That's the line to follow.
Okay.
So when you go around the corners, don't just put your foot straight down the accelerator. Ease the accelerator in when you get the car straight.
Just to exit the corner, like
yes.
Otherwise I'm gonna spin.
That's right. Once you get the car straight, there you go.
In terms of the settings, just put the settings in the way you think is better. Like don't. Otherwise, it's gonna be my first time.
It's going to start in those settings, and then if we wanted to, we can mess about. Every time it goes back to those settings, which is a good level for.
Does it change? So let's say you drive more aggressive. Well, not aggressive, but does the system knows how to change?
No, you can do it manually if you want to change it.
Wow, that's so impressive. And the screen, how big is the screen? 40?
48.
40.
52.
Wow, and the screen is massive as well.
Right. Simulator 1, start. Okay, so I'll tell you a few things. So when the car comes up, hold on to the wheel. Put the accelerator when it comes up, all the way down. Put it all the way down, all the way. There you go. It's selected the gear. That's it. Slow. That's it. Gentle on the wheel. That's it. Now get it going. Down. Go. That's okay, you're okay, go. Gentle on the wheel.
feel that I'm in a real car.
Gentle, gentle. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, that.
Okay, gentle. That's it. Easy, accelerator in, easy in, easy in. That's it. Get it down. Down. Brake. That's it, easy in. You're okay. That's it. Easy back in again. Accelerate a little bit. Down.
I really love the brake. The brake feeling is so good.
Steady. That's it, okay. You're okay. That's it. Lift off, you're okay. Easy. Get it down. Down. Keep it down. That's it, keep going. Easy, lift off a bit. That's it, back down again. Lift off again. You're okay. Go. Right, tough corner now. Tough. Brake. You're okay now, you're okay. Whoa, no, accelerate. There you go, that's it, you're okay. You're round. Whoa, gentle. I'll let you run, you go.
No, that's good. We'll do one more.
Yes.
Oh, no.
That's it. Straight up, then the track comes to you, just accelerate. Just keep going straight, that's it.
Let's try us out with the shifters.
Yes, go on. That's it. Yes, there. Your left foot there.
Yeah. I think with the shifter is much better. You can feel the engine. That's brilliant.
You're quite good. You were very smooth. Just made a good lap. You didn't crash your car.
No, I think, yeah, that's next level.
Yeah. That's exactly what I said. Like some of the ones that are out there, just one off page. This is the next one up.
When you use the pedals on the wheel,
Yeah.
you like in the car, because when the moves left and right and the seat moves and you feel like you're in the actual car. And yeah, I haven't experienced this before.
On some of the older cars, the old Cobra, you can pick this and then the whole car, because it's an older type.
Actually, when I change the gear to higher gear, the seat moves forward,
Yeah.
which is
Exactly what you.
and I think screen. Obviously, it's direct drive. You don't feel the immersive. You don't feel the movement. But yeah, this is seriously. I'm blown away. My brain is just.
And if you get the videos of some of the people playing it, you'll see how much concentration, how immersed they are using this simulator.
And I think you mentioned something earlier about the VR. I think if you add VR, will kill the feeling. I think VR is good, but I think it's better to use.
It doesn't suit with this simulator. Possible, you can do it, but
I really like that.
yeah, this is good.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much.
Lovely, thank you.
What time should I come? Now it's 1:20. If you have a break, if you have a lunch, you tell me what time I'm gonna come at any time because after that probably I'm gonna go.
I don't know, half 2 or 3 o'clock, something like that.
Okay.
Between half 2 and 3, and we'll get something going, and we'll get someone on the sim to race as well.
And after that I'm gonna do some B-rolls.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some close-up about. Yeah, that's seriously. I haven't used this type of sim racing before. And yeah, it's just beautiful. Like, this is what you need. Sit down and just lay. And yeah, I'm speechless. Seriously.
We have the big one as well. People like this one, because where we've got them in our offices, people come in, they get onto this, go for 10 minutes, jump out, and they're gone. The other one takes a little while to get strapped
You
in.
easily can spend like hours.
Yes.
Hours. And you mentioned you have F1 as well.
Yes, that's it. When you get to F1 though, you have to take the steering wheel off, and you have to get back.
And you're lower. You're much lower, isn't
So
it?
it's a lot more of a rigmarole. This, jump in, play, again.
I want to give you 10 for the seat. Seat is very comfortable. This is very comfortable. It just, I'm speechless. Seriously.